So this is basically the excavating block. Okay, so it comes all bubble wrapped. It's made of kiln sand, so the sands, it's all wash sand, water, and there's a very, very small amount of plaster of Paris just to keep it all intact. So that is the block. It's fairly big. The minimum amount of items included in the box is about 6. More if they're smaller finds, less if they're bigger finds. So that's that one. It also comes with the excavation tools, so you've got your little mini excavation hammer. It's all wooden, so it's all pretty eco-friendly. You've got your little excavation brush. So there's a couple of different sizes, but this is one of the main ones. You've also got your chisel, albeit it's not quite a chisel. It's actually, you probably recognise it, it's a golf tee. It's made of bamboo, they're pretty robust, you can't really break them. There's a lot of other chisels out there, but they're pretty naff, so that's why I've chosen to go for one of these instead. So that's the contents of the box.